What's going on, everybody, and welcome to a brand new video on this channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over the strategy that I use that helped me pass the 50K Topstep account. Now, we're going to jump straight into this. It is a breakout of an EMA, so we do need the 13 EMA. I have this indicator that puts 3 EMAs into one called the 3 EMA right over here. And now I have this set to the 13, the 50, and the 200. The 13 being the white one, the 50 being the red one, and the 200 being the yellow one. So you don't need all three, you just need the 13 EMA. I just have the other two to kind of help me find market direction on different time frames. But we're gonna start off by saying I trade on the 1 minute time frame. I trade around the market open, have a entry, confluence. I also know where to put my stop loss, which I'll be going over, and we trade off of reversals. So that's kind of how the strategy works. So we have to look at market structure in order to kind of understand what's happening, or reversals. I tend to look at reversals more than market structure, but you can see when we have a certain push to either direction, there's always some sort of reversal that occurs. So for example, in this case, we had a push to the downside, and then guess what? We had a reversal to the upside. Now we had this reversal to the upside, or this push to the upside. We're now getting this reversal to the downside. We had this push to the upside. We're getting this reversal. So you guys get the point, right? It's just, I look at it as like reversals on the 1 minute time frame. Now for the confluences for me to enter this trade, the candle has to close below or above the 13 EMA. There has to be a closure. It cannot be a wick. The body has to close below or above the 13 EMA for me to take an entry. Once that occurs, my stop loss goes above the candle that broke and closed either below or above the 13 EMA. So in this case, if I just take this out, we can see that this red candle right over here broke below the 13 and closed below the 13. So my stop loss would be above. Now, if depending on your trading style, you can have the stop loss be above the swing highs. I just have it above the candle closure. But that's basically the strategy. In terms of take profit level, I kind of aim for swing lows. So for example, this is a swing low level. Although if I do see reversals tend to happen within the trade, I kind of manually close my position. I'm also going to preface this entire video by saying you have to be an advanced trader to kind of understand this. If you're a new beginner trader, I would recommend watching some market structure videos. I would recommend, learning a bit more confluences for your trading style, and then coming towards this strategy, because this strategy requires you to kind of understand what's going on within the markets. What are the candles saying? What is the structure saying? What is the EMA saying? What is the volume saying? To kind of know if to enter or not. You can get faked out so easily with this strategy that I think if you're a beginner trader, the strategy won't really work. It'll tend to work towards the intermediate or advanced traders who kind of understand market structure, understand how to read candles, and understand how volume works to be able to utilize this strategy. To recap everything, I trade the 1 minute time frame. I trade around 9:30 a.m. and I trade basically reversals. For my entry signal, the candle has to close below or above the 13 EMA. Once that occurs, I take my position and then I put my stop loss above that candle that broke and closed below the 13, and I target around swing lows or swing highs, or depending on how the trade goes, I might manually close the position. But that's the strategy. It's as simple as it gets. This is the strategy that kind of helped me pass the 50K account. I don't think beginners would understand what I'm saying this, but if you're an advanced or intermediate trader, I hope you understood how my strategy works. If not, that's totally fine. Maybe you found some sort of confluence from this video that you can incorporate within your own trading style to see if it's that key missing puzzle that you just have to add to complete that sort of trading plan to go on and make money. But yeah, that's basically the video for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe. I tend to forget to mention that. I'm also thinking of making some day in a life videos for you guys. So if you guys want to see that, comment that down below. I have a list of content ideas that I want to kind of put out there that I'm going to start doing, with this being one of it. So yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care and goodbye.